Now we have new developments tonight in the legal battle to hold Ohio State accountable for failing to protect hundreds of young men from a serial sexual predator.
Some of the men suing the school are demanding the judge in that case step down after learning about his family's ties to the university, ties the judge failed to disclose until now.
5 on Your Side investigator Sarah Buttison has covered the abuse victims' efforts to hold their alma mater accountable for months and has more on these new revelations.
Some of the men who allege they were sexually abused by an OSU doctor say U.S. federal judge Michael Watson should recuse himself from their cases against the university. The reason? The judge's financial ties to the Buckeyes. It was no secret U.S. Judge Michael Watson is a Buckeyes fan, even taught a class at the law school. But earlier this month, the judge revealed another connection. His wife is one of 400 businesses that has a licensing agreement with OSU. Lori Watson owns the Flag Ladies flag store in Columbus, which sells Ohio State flags. In this email, OSU confirmed the judge's wife is licensed to sell products with OSU's logo and that OSU has purchased products from her store, including spending less than $16,000 during the last fiscal year. Despite their financial connection, OSU says Judge Watson can be impartial in the Strauss sex abuse cases. Some victims disagree.
It's clear that they don't care about us as much as we care about them.
Attorney Rocky Ratliff is one of 2 plaintiffs' attorneys who filed motions asking Judge Watson to step down. The former OSU wrestler is also a survivor. During this interview earlier this year, he said OSU continues to try to cover up its failure to protect him and his classmates from Dr. Richard Strauss.
And it hurts. It really does.
Rocky says during his approximately 20-year tenure, Strauss's abuse was an open secret. But only in 2018, when another former wrestler blew the whistle and OSU investigated, did the scope of his behavior come to light. OSU's own report says Strauss committed at least 1,500 sexual assaults on the young men in his care. Ratliff says it's now up to Judge Watson himself to decide if he can be impartial, and there's no deadline for him to make that decision. I reached out to Judge Watson by phone and by email. So far, I have yet to receive a response. I'm 5 on Your Side investigator Sarah Buttison.